Hello and welcome. Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sudden searing pain in your leg? That dreaded Charlie horse? Or maybe you've been in the middle of a workout, pushing your limits, only to be stopped in your tracks by a muscle that locks up and refuses to let go. Muscle cramps are incredibly common, and they can be frustratingly disruptive. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools to prevent them isn't a new stretching routine or a fancy gadget, but something you do every single day? What if the answer is on your plate? Today, we're going on a deep dive into the world of muscle cramps. We'll first understand the science, what's actually happening in your body when a muscle spasms. We'll uncover the key nutrients your body is crying out for when cramps strike. A muscle cramp is essentially an involuntary, sudden, and forceful contraction of a muscle that doesn't relax. Think of it as a miscommunication between your nerves and your muscles. While the exact cause can be complex, it often boils down to a few key factors: dehydration, muscle fatigue, and most importantly for our discussion today, nutritional deficiencies. Your muscles rely on a delicate balance of minerals called electrolytes to function correctly. These include potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium. They are the spark plugs that help conduct electrical signals, telling your muscles when to contract and when to relax. When this balance is off, the signals get crossed, and you get a cramp. But it's not just about minerals. Vitamins play a crucial role too. B vitamins, like B12 and B6, are vital for the health of your nervous system, the very system sending those signals. And vitamin D is essential for absorbing calcium, a key player in muscle contraction. Without enough of these, the whole system can falter. So, how do we fix this? By strategically fueling our bodies with the right foods. In this video, we're going on to reveal the top 3 powerhouse foods, as identified in our research, that are packed with these cramp-fighting nutrients. We'll break down exactly why they work, how to incorporate them into your diet, and I'll even share some bonus foods and lifestyle tips at the end. Ready? Let's get started. Our first cramp-fighting champion might surprise you. It's humble, versatile, and an absolute nutritional giant. We're talking about eggs. When you think of eggs, you probably think of protein, and you're right. But it's the quality of that protein and the synergy with other key nutrients that make eggs a top-tier choice for preventing muscle cramps. Let's break it down. First, the protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. This is vital for muscle repair. When you exercise, or even just go about your day, your muscles sustain tiny micro-tears. Protein is what your body uses to patch them up and build them back stronger. Stronger, well-repaired muscles are less prone to fatigue, and therefore less prone to cramping. This is especially crucial as we age. Age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is a real concern. A diet rich in high-quality protein from sources like eggs is a primary defense, helping you maintain muscle mass and function for years to come. Next, vitamin D. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of this essential vitamin, often called the sunshine vitamin. Its most famous role is helping the body absorb calcium. As we learned, calcium is critical for muscle contractions. But if you don't have enough vitamin D, you can't properly use the calcium you consume, leading to imbalances that can trigger spasms. Optimal vitamin D levels are directly linked to better muscle function and strength. Finally, let's talk about vitamin B12. This vitamin is a superhero for your nervous system. It's crucial for maintaining the health of your nerve fibers by helping to form the myelin sheath, a protective layer that ensures nerve signals travel quickly and efficiently. If these signals are compromised due to a B12 deficiency, you can experience nerve-related issues, including muscle cramps and tingling. How to enjoy them? The beauty of eggs is their versatility. A couple of scrambled eggs for breakfast, a hard-boiled egg as a post-workout snack, or a frittata packed with vegetables for dinner. Aim for whole eggs, as the yolk contains the vitamin D and B12. Don't be afraid of the cholesterol. For most people, dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Moving on to our second powerhouse food. This one is famous in the athletic world for a reason. It's portable, delicious, and a true electrolyte superstar. Of course, we're talking about the banana. Bananas are practically synonymous with potassium, and for good reason, but their cramp-fighting ability comes from a powerful trio of nutrients. First and foremost, potassium. This is the star electrolyte when it comes to cramps. Potassium works in a delicate dance with sodium to regulate fluid balance and nerve signals. This mechanism, called the sodium-potassium pump, is fundamental to life. It maintains the electrical charge across your cell membranes. Without enough potassium, this pump can't work efficiently, leading to weak or erratic nerve signals and causing your muscles to contract uncontrollably. But here's the secret weapon in bananas: magnesium. While potassium and calcium are involved in the contraction signal, magnesium is the relaxation mineral. It acts as a natural calcium blocker, helping muscle cells relax after they've contracted. If you're low on magnesium, your muscles can get stuck in the on position. Think of it as the off switch for your muscles. Bananas provide a solid dose of this vital mineral. And let's not forget vitamin B6. Just like we saw with B12 in eggs, vitamin B6 is essential for nerve health. It plays a role in producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that your brain uses to communicate with your entire body, including your muscles. Healthy nerves mean clear, precise signals. The crucial pairing? The article we're referencing makes a fantastic point. Bananas are most effective when paired with adequate water. The electrolytes in the banana need fluid to travel through your bloodstream and get to your muscle cells. Eating a banana without drinking water is like having a key, but no way to get it to the lock. So remember, banana and water for optimal hydration and cramp prevention. How to enjoy them? A banana is the perfect pre- or post-workout snack. Blend it into a smoothie to combine it with other nutrient-rich foods. Slice it over your morning yogurt or cereal, or simply eat it on its own. The natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber ensures it's released steadily. Our third and final food group is a small but mighty category that packs an incredible nutritional punch. We're talking about nuts and seeds. Don't underestimate these little powerhouses. A small daily handful can provide a concentrated dose of cramp-fighting minerals and other beneficial compounds. Let's explore why they are so effective. The mineral kings, magnesium and potassium. Nuts and seeds are some of the best dietary sources of magnesium. Pumpkin seeds and almonds, in particular, are magnesium superstars. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Pistachios are a fantastic source of potassium, rivaling even bananas in some cases. By including a mix, you cover your mineral bases. Healthy fats for reduced inflammation. This is a key benefit. Cramps can sometimes be worsened by underlying inflammation. Certain nuts, especially walnuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatories. These healthy fats help improve circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles more efficiently, while also helping to clear out metabolic waste products that can contribute to soreness and cramping. Protein for repair. Just like eggs, nuts and seeds also provide a good source of plant-based protein, contributing to that all-important muscle repair and maintenance cycle we discussed earlier. How to enjoy them? The recommendation is key: a small, unsalted handful daily. Unsalted is crucial because excess sodium can throw off your potassium balance. Enjoy them raw or dry roasted. Sprinkle them on salads. Blend them into smoothies. Add them to your oatmeal,
or just have them as a standalone snack. Nut butters are also a great option. Just be sure to choose brands with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils.
So we've covered our top 3: eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds. But the world of nutrition is vast, so I want to give you a few more fantastic options to add to your anti-cramp arsenal. Honorable mentions. Consider adding sweet potatoes, which are packed with potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are magnesium powerhouses. Avocados are loaded with potassium and magnesium. And don't forget dairy products like yogurt and milk or fortified plant milks for a great source of calcium and vitamin D. Now, remember, food is a massive piece of the puzzle, but it works best as part of a holistic approach. Let's quickly cover 2 other critical components: hydration and movement. Hydration revisited. We cannot stress this enough. Water is the vehicle for all these nutrients. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you are active or in a hot climate. Your urine should be a pale lemonade color. If it's dark, you need to drink more. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Thirst is a sign that you're already on your way to being dehydrated. Smart movement. Proper stretching, especially after a workout or before bed, can make a huge difference. Focus on the muscles that cramp most often, like your calves, hamstrings, and quads. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and don't bounce. A proper warm-up before exercise and a cool-down afterward also prepares your muscles for work and helps them recover safely. So there you have it. The power to fight back against debilitating muscle cramps is largely within your control, and it starts in your kitchen. It's about being intentional with your food choices. By focusing on incorporating our top 3 powerhouse foods: eggs for their high-quality protein and B vitamins, bananas for their electrolyte trio of potassium, magnesium, and B6, and nuts and seeds for their concentration of minerals and healthy fats, you are giving your body the fundamental building blocks it needs for healthy, happy, cramp-free muscles. Remember to pair this with plenty of water and a smart stretching routine. Making these small, consistent changes can lead to a massive improvement in your quality of life. No more nights ruined by Charlie horses, no more workouts cut short. I hope you found this deep dive helpful. What are your go-to remedies or foods for preventing cramps? Share your tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.